This is the bumper car game, which is located in what we call cooling tower number 2. The game itself is 140 feet in diameter. It's surrounded by traffic barriers which prevent the cars or these bumpers from being launched outside of the game area. The game area itself is actually played on a hard plastic surface. We want this hard plastic surface covered with a film of soap so it more resembles ice. So the cars themselves don't really get good traction on here. They're able to get enough traction to go in one direction, but they also, when they collide with an object such as the large tire here or the bumpers that are out there, will actually spin perhaps into others, perhaps into other bumpers and score more points. There's 10 of these bumpers that are in here, of which we have 2 different types. We have the large bumper, which has a white top on it with a blue flashing light, but it also has pyro on top of it. Each time you hit that, you get a strobe light flash plus pyro goes off. My God, did you see that? That's what happens. That's how you get the reward on these things. Plus we have what we call the small bumpers. It actually scores fewer points than the large bumpers. It has a rotating beacon on the top with a roll cage over the top of the light in case it falls over, which it can. If it does fall over, it still continues to operate. These are called the reward lights. These are strobe lights that go off when you hit it at the correct time. Automobile tire is a bumper. Our controls down here, mounted with a battery on the other side that operates the controls, cage that holds it, a large tractor tire that's the base that you actually run into, and below that we have a frame that also has UHMW plastic on the bottom that allows this thing to skid across the bottom so that with a little film of soap it moves quite swiftly once you run into it with a vehicle.